Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For this time, I want to presentation about my report of English. It's about industrial electronic practicum. My name is Syafina Khairani. I'm from the Class of Electronic and now I'm third grade. The title of my report is about Thyristor. Chapter 1 Introduction. Background of information. Praise be to Allah, with His gift, the writer can finish the report of industrial electronic practice. On this report, the writer wants to say thank you to the lecturers who has guided on this practice and to my friends who want to cooperation on this practice. This report is about Thyristor. Thyristor is an electronic component that functions as a switch or controller made of semiconductor or material. The source of materials in this report is from worksheet of industrial electronic and link about electronic from Google. The writer realized the writing of this report have much mistake. Because of that, writer want critics and suggestion to the next report better. Finally, the writer hopes this report can have benefit for the reader and the writer specifically. Next, the purpose of this practicum is the first, Thyristor switch assembly. The second, demonstrates how high currents can be achieved with a low power signal. C. Benefits. The benefits of this practicum is first, can find how Thyristor work. Second, can understand the characteristics of Thyristor. Third, can find example of application of Thyristor. And then can know the use of Thyristor. Chapter 2 Summary. A. Theoretical background. Thyristor is an active electronic component that functions like a door to withstand the flow of AC current with a small current input source. The Thyristor can be thought of as a composed component and two transistors, which looks how it works. When designing a Thyristor or SCR circuits, it helps to understand how it works actually from the component. Literally, the operation of a Thyristor can be described as a switch. After being turned on by the flow of current in the gate section, the Thyristor requires a voltage across the gate cathode and anode. Stop flowing before they can be closed again. The Thyristor functions as an electronic switch that is widely used in electrical equipment, ranging from that occur in a Thyristor. First, reverse blocking condition or Thyristor back voltage condition. Second, forward blocking condition or forward voltage Thyristor condition. Third, conducting condition or Thyristor conduction condition. B. Procedure. For this practicum, we need tools and materials. It's about Thyristor, like socket, lamp, potentiometer, resistor, key, variable transformer, DC power supply, oscilloscope, low Z instrument, high Z instrument, sets of probe, bridging plugs, and connecting leads. For this practicum, we have procedure to do it. First, prepare the tools and material to be used. Second, assemble the circuit according to the worksheet with the circuit AC as a load and close the switch slowly. Increase the trigger voltage by operate the potentiometer until the thyristor depicts light up. Third, display the voltage drop the lamp on oscilloscope and make a scale diagram actually. Or, if the practicum finish, tidy up the tools and materials. C. Result. Based on the practicum that has been done, the analysis can be taken. The influence of the thyristor on the load current, while in this circuit the thyristor is a rectifier because the surge of the AC voltage. The thyristor can turn on the light, while the influence of the thyristor on the load can make the lamp turn on and off alternately continuously. In the voltage sort use both AC and DC, the thyristor must be triggered continuously, which causes when the switch is open or closed. The condition of the light remains on differently from the DC voltage. The thyristor is only triggered once, so the thyristor in this practicum acts as a switch in the AC and DC circuit. Chapter 3. Conclusion and Suggestion. A. Conclusion. First, thyristor on this practicum as a switch on AC and DC circuit. The effect on the load is make the lamp light up continuously and alternately. Second, on the voltage source use AC and DC voltage, then the thyristor is triggered continuously. This causes the switch to be open, then the condition of the light always on. B. Suggestion. First, we must be careful when use the tools and material, especially when there is a current. Second, don't forget to pray before do the practicum. And this is the reference about the background of information and also about this report. And thank you. Okay, this about my presentation. If I make a mistake, I want to say sorry and thank you so much. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.